Hello, Shakili speaking, and welcome to my problem solving tutorial. From today, we are gonna start a new series, and this is also problem solving and top interview on 150 questions. So, our what's the problem we have solved already? It is covered, and I have solved 5 problems from here. So, it will be an exciting journey also because this is the top interview on 150 questions. So today we are going to solve merge sorted array. So this is the problem. You see merge sorted array. You will be given two arrays, num1 and num2s. So among two arrays, one is num1, another one is num2. Okay. So what we need to do? You need to. This is the numbers, but these three are empty space. So what you need to do from you need to merge this array with this array. Okay. And 2 will come here, 5 will come here, and 6 will be here after merging. Okay, so it will be 2, it will be 5, then it will be 6. Finally 1 2 2, finally it will be sorted. Okay, so I hope that will make sense. So I am telling you one time more. You will be given two arrays, and these three are numbers and these are empty space. So in the empty space, first time 2 will be here, then 5 will be here, then 6 will be here, and it will be like that. 1 2 3, then 2 5 6, and 0 1 2 0 1 2 3 5 6. Okay, so this number will be m plus n equal to 6. It is saying in the in your, you see, m plus n. Okay, so if you read the description, it you will understand what I am saying. Okay, so this is our condition. So what we need to do, I have done the code. Okay, so this is the code. It's very simple code. One loop is running over here, and what is happening in the first iteration, you see, this is the first iteration. Initially we have taken a variable number. This is the empty space, and these three will sit here after merging. Okay, so it will be 1 2 3 and 2 5 6. So after that we will sort again in the ascending order. Okay, in the ascending order, 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is very simple. Okay, so initially what we are doing, we are taking some variables, num1 num2. These four variables are here, and in the first iteration, what is happening in the first iteration, you see I equal to m. It means num3. After the first iteration, it will happen num1 will update as num2j. So what is happening here, you see, num1 means 3 because m will be here. So num3 means num13 means 0. In this place, num20 2 will replace the 0. This is happening. 2 will, in the num1's 0 place, 2 will come. This is saying this line in the first iteration, and I will increase, j will increase. So first iteration. So upon after completion of the first iteration, you will get previously 1 2 3, and in the 0 2 will come. You see, this is happening. 1 2 3 it has previously, and 2 is coming, and another two empty spaces. In the next two iteration, these two empty spaces will fill by one is 5, another and 6. Okay, in the second iteration, num I, here num I 3, here is 4, is because I is increasing and j is also increasing. So num 4 means this one in this place 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is num on 4. In this place num2 1, I mean 0, 1. This will sit down here. Okay. Initial iteration it sat down here, and now it will sit down here. And in the afterwards iteration 6 will sit down here. Okay, so in the third iteration what is happening, num5, I mean this is num5 in this place 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the num5 place num2, I mean 0, 1, 2, 6 will be here. Okay, 6 will be here. Okay, so you see the development. After first iteration, one place is occupying, two are left. After second iteration, two places are occupying, one is left. After final iteration, every place is occupied by these three numbers. I mean this three place has been occupied by this number. Okay, so loop is end because it will run less than n, I mean up to 3. Okay, so loop is it. So what we are getting, we get 1, 2, 3, 2, but it is not in the proper order. Okay, ascending or descending. So this function will sort the array in ascending order. You see, 1, 2, 2, 3, 5, 4. Finally we'll get it. So this is the time and space complexity. So I hope that will make sense. Okay, let's dive into the code. Okay, let nums1 equal to 1, 2, 3, okay, let m equal to 3, let nums2 equal to 256, let n equal to 3. Okay, bar mars equal to function nums1. There is a typo over here. Nums1 and nums2 n. Now let's run the for loop. Okay, for I equal to m, j equal to 0, j less than n, I plus plus, j plus plus. Okay, so nums I equal to nums 2 j. Okay, our main logic is done. So now it's time to sort. Okay, so nums1 sort the array in ascending order. A, B, A, minus b. Okay, so let's console log for Mars. Mars nums1 m nums2 n console.log. We need to margin array and it's nums1. Okay, I hope it will give us the expected output. Yeah, it's giving us the expected output. So after the coding, if you come here, you will give you good graphs, good understanding, as because I am showing you the every iteration, every detail. It's like a spoon feeding. So I hope if you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned, stay connected. It will be a wonderful journey. Thank you very much. See you soon.